Welcome students. In this session we are going to discuss conjunction, which is the next part of speech. This part of speech will definitely help you while solving verbal ability questions. So let us begin. Let us understand the meaning of conjunction and its types. Junction, the name itself indicates a point where two or more things are joined. Conjunctions are used to join clauses, phrases, and words together for constructing sentences. Conjunctions make a link between or among words or group of words to other parts of the sentence and show a relationship between or among them. Let us understand this with the examples. Alex and Robin are playing together. Here, Alex and Robin, these two words we are joining with and as a conjunction. Likewise, Alex plays well, but Robin plays better than him. Here, but we are using as a conjunction to connect two separate clauses. Alex plays well is one clause, whereas Robin plays better than him is another clause. So, but here we are using as a conjunction to connect two separate clauses. I play cricket and Robin plays football. See, here two separate clauses are there. I play cricket and Robin plays football. These are two separate clauses, but we are connecting these two clauses and making a single sentence by using and as a conjunction. Likewise, look at the last example. When he was sick, I went to see him. Here two separate clauses are there. He was sick and I went to see him. But we are connecting these two sentences by using when. But we are using this connector or conjunction at the beginning of the sentence to make a meaningful sentence. Now let us understand types of conjunctions. There are basically three types of conjunctions. First is coordinating conjunction, then correlative conjunction, then subordinating conjunction. Let us understand one by one. Coordinating conjunction, the name itself, it coordinates between the phrases or independent clauses or words. Okay, the job of a coordinating conjunction is to join two words, phrases or independent clauses which are parallel in structure. What you need to remember, parallel in structure. They must be, they means words, phrases or independent clauses must be parallel in structure. Okay, there are 7 coordinating conjunctions which are by far the most common conjunction. These are for, and, nor, but, or, at, so. Okay, you can remember these coordinating conjunction by using the acronym, that is fanboys. See, F for, A for and, N nor, B but, O or O, Y at, and S is for so. Likewise, if you just remember fanboys, you can remember coordinating conjunction. Let us understand with the help of example. We went to the stadium and enjoyed the cricket match, and here we are using as a coordinating conjunction. But please do remember stadium and cricket match, these are what the parallel in structure. So these two phrases are parallel in structure. Okay, look at the next example. Do you want an ice cream or chocolate? Now ice cream and chocolate, both are the eatables. So to connect these two separate words, we are using here or as a conjunction. Likewise, look at the next example. Go away and never come back. And we are using as a coordinating conjunction. Go away and never come back. Go away and never come back are the parallel in structure. Okay. Look at the next type of conjunction, that is correlative conjunction. A correlative conjunction uses a set of words in a parallel sentence structure to show a contrast or to compare the equal parts of a sentence, either contrast or equal part of a sentence. The words of a correlative conjunctions have a special connection between them. The correlative conjunctions are not only but also, either or, neither nor, but and, not but, whether or. Look at the example, you can understand. Neither Alex nor Robin can play baseball. Here neither nor we are using as a correlative conjunction. Means what it indicates, Alex and Robin cannot play baseball. But instead of making two separate sentences, just by using the correlative conjunction, we are making a single sentence which indicates that they both cannot play baseball. Okay. Look at the second example. I want both ice cream and chocolate. Here we are using both and is a correlative conjunction to make a meaningful sentence. Okay, here we are comparing the equal parts of a sentence by using both and, right? Okay, he ate not only the ice cream but also the chocolate. Not only but also, again not only but also we are using as a correlative conjunction to show the equal part of the sentence. Okay, and the last type of conjunction, that is subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction joins elements of an unparalleled sentence structure. This is what important in this conjunction type. Unparalleled sentence structure. These elements are usually a dependent clauses and an independent clauses. Most commonly used subordinating conjunctions are after, how, than, when, although, if, that, where, as, in order that, etc. Let us understand with the help of examples. Before we left home, I had my breakfast. I had my breakfast. Here, before we are using as a subordinating conjunction. Why? Because here unparalleled sentence structure is there. Left home and breakfast. This is unparalleled sentence structure. There is no connection between these two. Look at the second example. Provided they come, we can start class Tuesday. Here provided we are as a subordinating conjunction. They come and start class Tuesday. These two are unparalleled sentence structure. Okay, so provided is acting as a subordinating conjunction over here. When he was washing my car, I went to the store. When we are using as a conjunction here, washing my car and went to the store, unparalleled structure. Look at the next example. Even though the weather was horrible, they still went outside. Even though is used as a subordinating conjunction here in the sentence. The weather was horrible and went outside. These two unparalleled sentence structure. So these are what the types of conjunction. I hope you understood what is the meaning of conjunction, how we are using these conjunctions in the sentences, and what are the different types of conjunctions, how these different types we are using in the sentences, and what are the use of these conjunction. I hope you understood. Okay,